Hey everyone, beautiful people. Welcome back to our channel where we explore the world of beauty, fashion, and everything in between. Today, we're focusing on a topic that resonates with so many of us: curly and wavy hair. Whether you've had a lifelong relationship with your curls or you're just beginning to embrace them, this video is for you. We'll be discussing the best ways to care for your curls, the most flattering haircuts, and styling tips that will help you showcase your natural beauty. So, if you're ready to fall in love with your curls all over again, stay tuned. Curly or wavy hair is often described as both a blessing and a curse. Those gorgeous curls can add incredible volume and texture to your look, but they can also have a mind of their own. We've all had those days when our curls refuse to cooperate, turning into a frizzy, tangled mess. It's easy to see why some people might be tempted to reach for the flat iron. But here's the thing, embracing your natural texture can be incredibly empowering. With the right care, your curls can become one of your most beautiful features, highlighting your face shape and giving you a unique, effortlessly chic look. Let's start with the basics: caring for curly hair. One of the most important things to remember is that curly hair tends to be drier than straight hair. This is because the natural oils produced by your scalp have a harder time traveling down the twists and turns of curly hair. As a result, it's crucial to keep your curls well hydrated. Start by using a sulfate-free shampoo and a moisturizing conditioner. Sulfates can strip your hair of its natural oils, leaving your curls dry and prone to frizz. Instead, opt for a gentle, hydrating shampoo that will cleanse your hair without stripping it of moisture. Now that we've covered the basics of curly hair care, let's talk about haircuts. Choosing the right haircut for curly hair is essential to achieving a look that enhances your natural texture. If you have medium-length curly hair, you have a lot of options. One popular choice is a layered cut, which can help to add movement and dimension to your curls. Layers can also help to lighten the weight of your hair, preventing your curls from becoming too heavy and losing their shape. Another great option for medium-length curly hair is a curly bob. This chic, modern cut is perfect for those who want a low-maintenance style that still looks polished and put together. Another great way to style short curly hair is to experiment with color. Delicate highlights can enhance the texture of your curls, adding depth and dimension to your overall look. If you're feeling adventurous, you might even want to try a bold, edgy cut with lots of texture and volume. Of course, choosing the right haircut is just the beginning. To keep your curls looking their best, it's important to maintain them with regular trims. Curly hair is prone to dryness and breakage, so keeping your ends healthy is crucial. Aim to get a trim every 6 minutes 8 weeks to remove split ends and keep your curls looking fresh and bouncy. When you visit your stylist, be sure to communicate your hair goals and concerns. A stylist who understands curly hair can make all the difference in achieving the look you want. Now that we've covered haircuts, let's talk about styling products. The right products can make all the difference in how your curls look and feel. One must-have product for curly hair is a good curl cream or mousse. These products can help to define your curls and keep them in place throughout the day. Look for a product that offers moisture and hold without weighing down your hair. Another essential product is a quality gel or styling serum. These products can help to tame frizz, add shine, and give your curls a polished, finished look. Just be sure not to overdo it. A little goes a long way with these products. Another important aspect of curly hair care is how you dry your hair. Whenever possible, try to avoid using heat on your curls. Excessive heat can cause damage, leaving your hair dry and brittle. Instead, let your hair air dry naturally whenever you can. If you need to use a blow dryer, make sure to use a diffuser attachment and keep the heat on low. This will help to preserve your curl pattern and prevent frizz. Finally, let's talk about some quick and easy styling tips for curly hair. One of the simplest ways to style your curls is to create a messy bun or updo. This look is perfect for those days when you're short on time but still want to look put together. Simply gather your curls into a loose bun at the back of your head, leaving a few tendrils out to frame your face. You can also add a headband or scarf for a pop of color and style. Another great option for curly hair is to create a half-up, half-down style. This look is both elegant and easy to achieve. Just gather the top section of your hair and secure it with a clip or hair tie, leaving the rest of your curls loose. If you're feeling adventurous, you can also try braiding the front sections of your hair for a boho-inspired look. And there you have it, curl lovers. We hope this guide has inspired you to embrace your natural texture and try something new with your hair. Whether you have short, medium, or long curly hair, there are so many ways to make your curls work for you. Remember, the key to beautiful curls is to keep them healthy, hydrated, and well-maintained. With the right cut, care, and styling techniques, your curls can become one of your most cherished features. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update from us. We're always here with the latest trends, tips, and tricks to help you look and feel your best. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below letting us know which curly hairstyle you're excited to try. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.